Welcome back our ASEAN interior. Want to transform your kitchen into a sleek, stylish, and functional space? In this video, we'll explore the top modern kitchen design trends from smart appliances to space-saving ideas. Let's dive in. A modern kitchen is all about simplicity, efficiency, and elegance. Clean lines, handleless cabinets, and a neutral color palette create a timeless look. White, gray, and black remain popular, often paired with warm wood tones or bold accents like navy blue or deep green. For countertops, materials like quartz and marble are trending. They're not only durable, but also add a touch of luxury. Meanwhile, flat panel cabinets with soft close technology enhance both style and functionality. A kitchen island is a must-have in modern design. It serves as a cooking space, dining area, and storage hub, making your kitchen more practical and inviting. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern design. LED strip lights under cabinets create a sleek ambiance, while large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and airy. Modern kitchens maximize every inch of space. Pull-out pantries, deep drawers, and built-in organizers keep everything neat and accessible without cluttering the design. A well-designed kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of your home. Whether you prefer a minimalist, high-tech, or luxurious look, modern design has something for everyone. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design inspiration. See you in the next one.